Senate Bill 4, which would establish medical review panels in Kentucky, have been passed by both Kentucky House and Senate and now go to Governor Matt Bevin for his consideration. The House of Representatives approved a committee substitute for Senate Bill 4, sponsored by Senator and Dr. Ralph Alvarado, on March 1st, and the Senate concurred with the changes by a 25-11 vote March 3rd. Medical review panels consist of 3 medical experts who are selected to review malpractice claims in a timely, independent fashion before those claims can proceed to court. Panels then provide opinions, which are admissible in court, on whether the standard of care was breached, and if so, whether the breach caused injury to the patient. Medical review panels are a step in the right direction for true tort reform in Kentucky. Senate Bill 89, sponsored by Senator Julie Rocky Adams, was reported favorably by the House Health and Family Services Committee March 1st and received second reading on the House floor March 2nd. The bill ensures that smokers who want to quit will have access to and coverage for FDA-approved tobacco cessation medicines and services recommended by the U.S. Preventive Services Task Force. It requires both Medicaid MCOs and private insurers to cover those treatments and significantly reduces restrictions and limits of coverage that often act as barriers for patients seeking smoking cessation services. Senate Bill 18 effectively protects the peer review process to allow physicians and hospitals to assess their work without the possibility of their words being used in a medical malpractice claim. This Senate Bill 18 is one step away from being sent to Governor Matt Bevin's desk for signature. The bill, sponsored by Senator Alvarado, would make peer review discussions confidential and privileged and not subject to discovery, subpoena, or introduction into evidence for lawsuits. Such confidentiality would facilitate robust, meaningful deliberations and foster innovation in patient safety and quality care. Senate Bill 18, if adopted by the General Assembly, would join the recently passed medical review panel legislation as another critical step toward reforming Kentucky's legal liability environment. As you can tell, it has been a very active legislative session, and developments are occurring each day. Be sure to continue reading the KMA legislative alerts, as well as getting up-to-date information by following KMA on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.